Hi everyone, I just got my Imperfect Foods food delivery, so I'm going to do an unboxing and show you what I got. Alright, all my fruits and vegetables in here. So they're called Imperfect because you sometimes get abnormal shapes, sizes. I mean, most of it is pretty normal, but every once in a while you get some random things. I don't know why I have so many jalapenos. I don't think I ordered that many, but I'm excited to try these little dark chocolate coconut bars. Let's see, where's the ingredients? Ingredients: coconut, dark chocolate. Yeah, so pretty clean. One thing you want to look out for when you're buying chocolate is soy lectin, if you're trying to avoid soy, which I am currently. Okay, over here we have quick cooking brown rice. I've been loving this cashew milk yogurt, so I got 2 of those. I usually get 1 or 2 of these per week, depending on how fast I go through it. I usually put a banana in there and some chia seeds. We got my almond milk. You do want to look for, I always get unsweetened vanilla usually. See, it says soy free. So just check the ingredients, and it might say like soy lectin instead of sunflower. Okay. I wanted to try this new grain-free granola, so I got a few bags of these. So it's just coconut, cashews, pumpkin seeds, pecans, so just a bunch of nuts, seeds, coconut, and then sweetened with honey, maple syrup, and vanilla. So since it is grain-free, it's low carb. So you can see there's 8 grams of carbs per serving in 1/4 a cup. So this would be good to add to this cashew milk yogurt. Alright. Like I said, I got a few bags of those. I got, these are hard to find, so these are gluten-free, peanut butter filled pretzels. I got these for my husband, he really likes these. It's made with, it's brown rice flour, potato starch, so made it gluten-free. Doesn't mean it's healthy, it's still a treat, but if you're looking for gluten-free options, that's a good one. I've been using this Butcher's bone broth from Imperfect Foods, and I like it because it doesn't have any onion or garlic, which I have been avoiding. And most broths, veggie broth, chicken broth, anything like that, have garlic and onion, which again I'm avoiding. So I'm sensitive to those, so I really have to be careful. Got some broccoli, and then I really like their fish and meat selection. So there's no antibiotics, no hormones, GMOs, and it's all, well, this is farm raised. You do want to look for wild typically. And then, let's see, got these breakfast turkey patties. These are 100% vegetarian fed, no antibiotics, no gluten. So again, products like these, just want to look at the ingredients. And so stuff like this typically have garlic and onion as well, so I just have to look carefully, and I knew that this one did not. All right, so that is it for this week's haul, and I will continue to show you what I got each week. And yeah, definitely try it out. I will post my code below so you can get a discount on your first order. Hope you enjoy.